Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 85 of Building the Batmobile. We're continuing the engine bay and the firewall today, after looking at, obviously, episode 85 from March the 1st, 1967. This is the one where Batman and Robin are in their stickiest situation yet. The enlarged perforating something. I can't read that from here, but there we go. So yes, they're going to be made into stamps. I don't know. Bane is our next part of the great Batman comics. And then we move into 2009. Momentous time for all Batman-related characters and comics. Yeah, then everything changed. There we go. Why are all the Bat ladies not wear very many clothes? So we're building the battery this time around. Battery and the starter motor and attaching them to the firewall. Nice and easy. We've got a couple of screws to put battery on a shelf, then fitting the terminals and all the little contacts, then fitting that to the firewall, then fitting the starter motor, fuse into the starter motor bit, and fitting that to the firewall as well as connecting it up to the battery. Good, nice and easy. Let's clear this out of the way. Let's get it done. So we have our parts here and our parts from last time. We first of all start by putting this onto the shelf. The shelf goes that way round, the battery goes that way round. So that will go on there like so. They should pop through. No, it just lines up. So I need 2 screws for that. Nice, all the same type of screws this time around. That's always nice. So let's get a few of those out. We'll attach that to there. Just like that, but better. Come on. That in there. Why have I got the shakes? There we go. So that all connected up in there. And indeed on that side as well. There we go. Then we've got our 2 chrome pieces just here, which are the battery terminals. They need to push in place. And then we've got all of our little set of things in there. I need to tighten those up as well. So let me get these in. They are going, that one's going backwards. Over in that general direction. If I can get that plugged in. Come on. Right, well, these are the bits that are always a pain in the backside to do. So I'll get these plugged in there and then get these plugged across the back there, and then we'll see about everything else. So there we have all of those attached on there. Then we get to attach that to that. It goes on there like so. And 2 more of those TP screws hold it in place from the back. That one on there. Come on. There we go. Nice. I see we're sticking with the traditional animated Batman colours of black and yellow. So that goes on there, secure thusly. I'll tighten those up in a minute. That's that. Then we get the starter motor from last time. Fits into here. That's where that other screw thing goes through, like that. With that coming out that side. Okay. Then we've got a tube to go onto that one. Tube goes on the end of that. That goes in there. I'm doing this from the wrong side. That goes on that side. That actually goes on there. That's why it's got that bayoneted part. That goes in there. That one goes on those 2. like that. Okay. Then on the next page, we've got to fit that to that with two of them. Still got that bit. Oh, I've not done anything with that bit. What have I done with that bit? Let's check. Yeah, that goes on the end of there. Thought it might. So that goes on the end of that. Right. Then that fits onto there. Go back to the other page. Yeah, up the top there, over there, over there. So that goes on there like that. And we fit the long one onto there. So let's get 2 more screws holding that in there. Attach that on there, tighten everything up, and then we'll see how it looks. And there we go. That's that all attached, all secure now, nice and tight, and ready. Well, I would say to be fitted to the car, but I'm sure there's more to be done onto this first. We've got a few more gaps and things to fill, so probably more next time. I don't know for sure though, but join me soon for more of this and other part works in between. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.